This SAT math that people refer to it as the hardest SAT math problem is wrong. And I'll show you why I'm saying it is wrong. We are given 2x minus 4y is equal to 3, and then we have to find the value of 16 to the power x divided by 256 to the power y, where x and y are positive integers. And these are the options you have to select our answer from. So from this expression over here, 16 could be written as 4 to the power 2, then all to the power x divided by 256 is also the same as 4 to the 4th power, then all to the power y. And we can write this as 4 to the power 2x divided by 4 to the power 4y. Then we will apply a power rule which says that a to the power m divided by a to the power n is the same as a to the power m minus n. So we can write this as 4 to the power 2x minus 4y. But we know this value. From here, it is equal to 3, right? So we're going to have 4 to the power 3, which is equal to 64. So this happens to be option C. But I'm saying the question is wrong because from this equation over here, we have 2x minus 4y is equal to 3. On the left-hand side, if we take 2 out, we're going to have 2 times x minus 2y. And this is equal to 3. Now, in the question, it was stated that x and y are positive integers. So from here, x is an integer, 2 times y is also an integer. Whenever you take integer from integer, you're going to have integer answer. So we will have 2 times integer. And note that 2 times integer is always even number. So we have the left-hand side to be even, then the right-hand side we have odd. But the question is, can even be equal to odd? That is my problem, right? So with this idea, I can conclude that the question is wrong. There's no way even will be equal to odd. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you again on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.